The savannah was quiet, too quiet. A strange tension rippled through the tall grass as Kion and the lion guard patrolled the border. The sun hung low, casting long shadows over the Pride lands. Fuli slowed her pace, ears twitching. Fuli, something's off. The herds are restless. Bunga hopped onto a rock, sniffing the air dramatically. Bunga, maybe they all smelled my lunch. Oh no, fluttered above them, eyes sharp. Oh no, -1. See movement near the northern border, a lot of movement. Kion's muscles tightened. He stepped forward, breath steadying. Kion, let's check it out. Stay sharp, everyone. They raced across the plains until the scent of unfamiliar lions filled the air. A group of strong, battle-scarred lions stood at the border, their leader stepping ahead with a low, rumbling growl. Leader, we're taking this land. Move aside. Kion stood tall, trying to keep his voice calm. Kion, the Pride lands belong to all who respect this circle of life. Why are you here? The rival leader's mane bristled. Leader, our lands have dried up. No prey, no water. We won't survive unless we take what's yours. Beshte stepped forward gently. Beshte, but there's enough to share if we talk about it. The leader snarled. Leader, we don't need talk. We need territory. The lions behind him growled in agreement. Kion felt pressure building inside him, the urgency to use the roar. The familiar rumble stirred in his chest, hot and powerful. But then Ono swooped down beside him. Oh no, Kion, if you use the roar now, it might make things worse. The rival lions stepped closer, claws scraping against the dirt. Kion's heart pounded. The guards surrounded him, forming a protective circle. Fuli, what's the plan, Kion? He swallowed, remembering the lessons from Mufasa. From Rafiki fell. From the elders before him. Power didn't make a leader. Wisdom did. Unity did. Kion, we're not fighting. Not unless we have no choice. Let me talk to them. Bunga blinked. Bunga talk. Like, talk. Kion, yes. Trust me. Kion walked forward until he stood just a few tail lengths from the rival leader. The wind whistled between them. Kion, I understand you're struggling, but taking land by force will only make more enemies. Let us help instead. The rival leader scoffed. Leader, help? Words won't feed my pride. Kion, maybe not, but we can guide you to new grazing grounds beyond the ridge. There's water there after the last rains. The leader's ears twitched. He hesitated, but then one of his lionesses stepped up beside him. Lioness, we're tired, and he's right. Fighting will only leave us weaker. Kion softened his voice. Kion, the Pride land stands strong because we stand together. Let us stand with you too. The leader's eyes searched Kion's face, testing him. Finally, his shoulders lowered. Leader, if you're lying, cub, we will return. Kion, I'm not lying. Come, we'll show you. Kion turned to the god, and together they led the rival Pride across the ridge. It was a long journey, the sun dipping behind clouds as they climbed rocky hills. When they reached the top, the rival lions froze, staring down at the valley below lush grass. Flowing streams, herds grazing peacefully. Tear. The leader exhaled, relief breaking through his hardened expression. Leader, this will save us. Kion nodded. Kion, everyone deserves a place in the circle of life. The lioness stepped closer, bowing her head. Lioness, thank you, lion guard. Fuli smiled, Beshte beamed. Ono fluttered proudly. Bunga tackled Kion in a tight hug. Bunga, Kion, you did it. And without roaring anyone into next week, Kion laughed, shaking him off. Kion, we did it. As a team. As the rival Pride descended into their new territory, Kion looked out at the horizon, the sky glowing gold above the valley. Kion unity isn't just protection, it's strength. Fuli. And today proved it. Kion breathed in the warm air, feeling the pride of his ancestors flow through him. Kion, the circle of life stays strong. When we stay united, the Lion Guard stood together stronger than ever as the sun set behind them, painting the sky with colors of peace, hope, and courage.